Hi, this is Dr. Nikki, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I will be talking about Chapter 1 of my new book, Math Workshop in Action. Chapter 1 deals with creating a community of learners in a math-rich classroom. And so the whole chapter, it has posters and everything. It's divided by weeks. So beginning the journey, what should you do first, how to create posters so that kids know how to get along with each other. You create the posters with the kids. What is a community? What are good mathematicians? How do good mathematicians act? All of those kinds of posters. Manners make a difference. Different kinds of posters. And then a poster about what Math Workshop is. And then the second week, it's learning to persevere, reason, and talk mathematics. One of the things that we don't do enough is talk about perseverance in the math classroom. We've got to teach our kids from the very beginning that what we honor and what we value is perseverance. And so there's a bunch of stuff in the book on how to do that. And I reference a lot my growth mindset board on Pinterest because I think it's really important that we have ways, ongoing ways, and that we started in the beginning of the year and do it consistently throughout the year on how to develop perseverance with the kids. And then there's some things in here about talk moves. Really, I go in and I look at the Chapin stuff and I really kind of unpack that and what that means, because you have to teach kids how to talk to each other. And that's all part of the beginning of the year stuff, the first 20 days. And then I give like anchor chart examples of math stems, giving kids, as Lucy Calkins talks about it, the language of engagement. Really important that kids have those. And then I go into week 3, showing what you know. So really teaching kids routines around double checking, not just kind of turning in their work, but looking at it once and looking at it twice to make sure that it's right. And then we talk about introducing toolkits in that week as well, because I think every classroom should have toolkits that kids can use, because if you're asking kids to think, they need to think with tools. Van der Waals said that a long time ago, and it still stands true today. You need to have tools that kids can use that are out, that are not up and away. You know, use the tools that are in the classroom. And then week 4, we talk about introducing the math workstations and the guided math groups. And you really want to roll those out. Give yourself time. Don't rush to doing a guided math group when your kids don't know the other kids don't know what to do, because you really can't run a guided math group if everybody's running loose in the classroom. So I talk a lot about that and setting that up. And that's really the first chapter. So building that community where kids can actually learn in a math workshop. Thank you and happy mathing.